Hello students, this graph I drawn according to the second problem. Okay, in the second problem the maximum temperature is 900, that is melting temperature of TA is 900 and melting temperature of TB is 800 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I drawn here in y-axis, that is temperature, and in x-axis compositions. Okay, you mark maximum temperature, it is 900 degrees Celsius, that is TA, the melting temperature of TA. Then write TA is equal to 900 first. Okay, TA is equal to 900. Then TB is equal to 800 degree Celsius. Mark TA and TB first. Okay, TA and TB. Okay, what is the next here? Next you want to mark the that is eutectic composition, that is 60% A, 60% B and 40% A. This is eutectic temperature, its composition, that is eutectic composition, that is eutectic composition. Next, that is eutectic that is temperature, that is 600, TE is equal to 600. So what I mark here? First I mark TA, then TB, then eutectic composition, then 600, that is eutectic composition. This is the given information. In this problem they given the solid solubility. The solid solubility means, so some part of that that is solid, that is present right from the solidification to the room temperature. That is what we discussed in the second type of that is the eutectic system. Here 10% B in A. What is 10% B? This is 10% B in A. So means 10% B is mixed with A, means so both together it is 90. If it is 10% B in A, means when I am mixing 10% B in A, when the liquid is having temperature that is 600 degrees Celsius, okay, the 10% B in A, okay, just mark that is 10%. This is, sorry, here, not this is 10%, this is 10%, here it is 10% B in A, that is here 10% B is here, at which temperature? At 600 degree Celsius. Similarly, the 5% B in A at 0 degree Celsius, this is 5. Then 5% B, this is 5% B in A, means 5% B and 90% A, so in A, okay, so it is like that. So then, so mark, okay, then mark here 900 to, okay, 600, 900 to 600, then 5% like that. Okay, similarly here, similar way, then 8% A in B. Where is 8% A? And this is 8%. Okay, this is, okay, 5%. Okay, almost, then it is 8%. At 8% A, this is 8% A in B at 600 degree Celsius, then 4% A in B at 0 degree Celsius. Okay, now, okay, here at 600 means it is here. You can draw it properly. I am doing this. Okay, join these 2 points, then TB and TA. Okay, I will, okay, please refer this point. Okay, join TA to this point, then this to 0 degree, then TB to, okay, that 600 degree, that is point, then it is to 0 degree Celsius. Okay, when we join all points, okay, it appears like this. When we joined all points, okay, it appears like this. Okay, this is TA to that 600, the solid solubility to, then that the 10 to, then it is 5, here it is 5, then it is TB to that 8%, then to 4% at 0. Now we can, okay, again you can draw on vertical line, at eutectic point. Okay, this is the eutectic line, that is E, join to E, join to E. Okay, I join like this. Okay, so after joining, so I join, that is 60-40 to that point E, then TA to E and TP to E. Okay, this point, okay, this is what solid solubility point. Okay, this is 10% at 600 degrees Celsius, 5% at 0 degrees Celsius, 8% at 600 and 4% at 0 degree Celsius. Now you can write label. Okay, right. Okay, you can label, do the labeling part. This is what liquid region. Okay, these two line liquidus line, these two line liquidus line, and this is alpha and this is beta, alpha plus liquid and this is beta plus liquid. So here alpha region is there, maximum amount of alpha, alpha rich, alpha plus beta or beta plus alpha. This is the rich of beta, beta plus alpha plus beta. So this is what solidus line. This is what solidus line. Okay. In y-axis temperature and in x-axis composition. This is liquid, liquidus line, beta, alpha, alpha plus liquid and beta plus liquid, alpha rich metal and beta rich metal. So what is this here? You take tick, that is alpha plus beta, that is alpha plus beta. Okay, please go through this once again. Okay, this is the draw the phase diagram and label all the silent features. Draw the phase diagram and label all the silent features of composition. Okay, you take the composition, then all reasons. Then they given, that is alloy composition, that is they given the alloy composition 60% A and 40% B. This is what 60% A, 40% B, and draw on vertical line. Okay, draw on vertical line. Okay, I drawn one line, that is vertical line, that is alloy composition. You can write here alloy line, that is alloy line or A, alloy line or I. Okay, okay, what you want to find, and here they at room temperature. Here this is at room temperature, means here it is at TR, that is 25, TR equal to 25 degrees Celsius. So I will draw okay one horizontal line. So at this point, then at this point, particularly at this point, we need to calculate the number, type and extent and compositions. So number means what is P. If it is P means what is the type of P, and what is extent means the percentage of liquid and percentage of solid and gas. Then first I will draw an horizontal line at TR. First I will draw an horizontal line at TR. Yes, I draw an horizontal line, but I draw an horizontal line at room temperature. Okay, but next point, the major one is how to select the point. Here I got 1, 2, 3, 4 point. So here this portion is what? Alpha plus beta. So this one is what I want, that is third point, that is O3, and this one is O2. Okay, go reverse, that is this is O2 and O1, O3, O2, and this I am considering as O1. I am not considering this point. Okay, always the last point is here, it room temperature. Here it is the last. Suppose you are moving from this end to this end, this is the last point, that is eutectic point. Okay, this is the border line, this is the boundary line of this alpha plus beta. Okay, now at what you want to calculate, I want to calculate at O2, I want to calculate what is P number of P. If it is P is what, then what are the different, that is regions. See here alpha and alpha plus beta. So I told already, I discussed in while explaining this theory part. Here this is solid, the phase is solid only, but what is the number of solid phase? Alpha phase and alpha plus beta phase. Always P is equal to 2 in this solid state. P is equal to 2 in the solid state. So if it is 2, then what is the type of those two? The one is alpha and one is alpha plus beta, and one is alpha and second one is alpha plus beta. So therefore, so what you want to calculate, what is the percentage of alpha? What is the percentage of alpha? What is the percentage of alpha? See, O1, O2 and O3, and this O2 to O3 is near to alpha plus beta. This region is what? Alpha plus beta. Then what is O1 here? Maximum amount of alpha, and this is alpha. So I want to calculate the percentage of alpha. I am considering opposite length. What is that? O2 divided by O3 divided by O1 divided by O2. O1 divided by O2. O1 divided by O2. Then what is O2 by O3 and what is O2 by O3? So 10, 20. This is 20%. Then O1 to O2, it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then it is 54. Then it is almost 54 or approximately 55 I am considering. Therefore, the value is how much? 36.7%. The percentage of alpha is how much? 36.7%. Okay, therefore, so 100 minus 36.7, so almost it is 63.3% of what? Alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta. Okay, number means what? P equal to 2. Type means what? Alpha and alpha plus beta. Extent, they given in problem, that is extent means percentage of alpha and percentage of beta. Percentage of alpha and percentage of beta. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, please go through this once again. Okay, what I drawn only here in this problem. Okay, the different type is what? The marking of the solid solubility of these two. Solid solubility of these two. Okay. Okay, please go through this. If any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.